Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open the December 2019 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. So I have not even opened this yet, so we'll do this together. So let me open her up. Here's the bag. We'll start with the bag. So the bag is $8 a month, and it consists of 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And Bead Bag subscribers can reorder December items through January 2020. They're $1 a strand. I have not found a strand of fire polish in these sizes any cheaper than I have here. So check it out, see if the subscription is right for you. Let's open it up. So we'll just separate them out by 3 and 4. So I love these. Of course, my color's greens. Beautiful. Look at these sort of icy green colors. They're just so wintry, right? So we have matte medium copper. And these are great little copper beads. I love the matte finish. So pretty. Crystal citrine luster. This is beautiful. This is really a beautiful, like, saturated citrine color. Very pretty. Beautiful quality beads, always. Southwestern sage. Love. Gorgeous. Love that color. It's the color of my mat. And then we have dark seafoam blue. Just beautiful. The finish on that, so pretty. Love these icy colors, these icy cool colors. So 4mm pearlized white. This is really pretty. I like this pearlized finish. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, or maybe my lights are washing it out, but it's really got it looks like a faceted pearl in a way. Really pretty. Metallic Mardi Gras green. I'm going to assume it's this one. Yes, it is. Look at that metallic. Oh, that's so pretty. We got the that purple, I forget, our fuchsia metallic a couple of boxes ago, our last box. So pretty. I love these. That metallic finish on that. That's gorgeous. Dark seafoam blue. So here we have the seafoam blue in the 4mm and the 3. Love that. That's the way I choose my beads. I organize everything by color, and I have a whole bunch of different sizes and shapes and like in similar color, and it just makes it so easy to make beautiful projects that way. And then we have metallic pearlized purple. Wow, that's gorgeous. It looks very gray, but it's not. It's a beautiful metallic purple. And you see the way the metallic, I don't know if you can see it, the way it's done is like you can see the sort of dark background. So the lines are almost like have a little black or dark gray, and then there's the metallic. I love that. It looks, I don't know, it looks kind of like snakeskin. I don't know, is that blurry? It's beautiful. Take my word for it. Okay, so here's the bead bag. Now, just a note, for those of you who ask, what do I do with beads? What do I make? I have a whole playlist of dollar bead bag and box projects. However, it doesn't have to be, you can make actually any one of my videos. My recent videos, we did these bracelets. You can do all these. And these watch bands, you can do them in fire polish. In fact, this one's done in fire polish. So, look at the videos. Pretty much every bead you get here, you can use for all different projects, but I'll link my playlist down below anyway. So here I'm going to push these aside here. I'm going to grab the box, and so here's the box. So we get your letter. So the box is as low as $18.50 a month. Go to the website. Depends on your subscription. You can get free shipping. So you want to look at all the different ways that you can order the box, all the different ways you can join and such. So I would go to the website and check it out and see if it's right for you. And I always say I love their website. It's so easy to navigate, and it's so fun to look around on the website. So here, I'll put the letter aside for the second. I just want to pull the beads out so we can get an idea of the theme. Okay, really pretty. Look at these blues and purples. Let me put that aside. Okay, so I'm just going to put these aside. I want to check out the letter because, you know, we're doing this together. Okay, so happy holidays. I'm just going to breeze through it. So they're reflecting over the past 12 months. The past year has given us a chance to learn more about you and how we can better provide you with products that not only meet your beading needs, but inspire you to try new and different creations. They've listened to you regarding your comments and suggestions. And so they're, you know, which is awesome. In the coming months, they'll be getting in new items, launching new social media platforms, exploring new avenues to help us enhance your experience. Okay, so awesome. All right, they have a great Facebook page, $B Box Unboxers, and here's the list. All right, so let's go through everything. So I'll pull the strands out first, so I'm not digging so much while we're doing this. So let's start with these. So 3mm check glass Druck, multi-metallic mix. Beautiful. Look at those. Gorgeous. Look at those colors. Purples and golds and copper and green and all that beautiful metallic. Really pretty. Check glass Druck, 3mm, get 35 pieces. 3mm check glass Druck, teal half metallic Lumi, 35 pieces. I'm assuming that's this one, yes. Really pretty. So it's half metallic, so part of it is like clear, you know, transparent, and then it's metallic on the other side. Really pretty. 4mm check glass pearl, Mystic Purple. Gorgeous. I think we have some others of this one. I'm not sure if it's in the 4 or 6, but look at that color. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, now this, like, you know, the watch bands and the bracelets I showed you, you can use these 4mm pearls. So, you know, check those out. 1x2mm Chinese crystal rondelle. These are my faves. And this is just plain crystal. Gorgeous. I love putting these in between, like where I would use an 11-0 or a couple of 11-0s. I mean, it's just, they fit in the tiniest little spaces. So helpful to have this bead. I'm getting a whole collection of these. 120 pieces. It's a tiny little perfect bead. 5mm check polish, fire polish, burnt umber, Picasso. Let's see. I think that's, yes, that's this one. I think it's gorgeous. How many pieces do we get here? 25. Beautiful. I mean, they look like stones when they're Picasso finish like this. It's my favorite finish. And check fire polish, 8mm crystal. So beautiful. 24 pieces. That's a beautiful check glass bead. And then we have check glass Druck, 6mm, 32 pieces in velvet opal. Gorgeous. That is a beautiful, beautiful opal-y, like purple, lavender. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's, I don't know, it's just got this transparency about it. And it's picking up some color, like a little bit of like amber in there. Gorgeous. All right, so those are our strands. Beautiful. They always do such a great job. So we have a whole bunch of additional items. So check glass, so 10mm Chinese glass laser etched rounds. Okay. White with silver, that's these. These are beautiful. I love their laser etched beads, and we're getting so many of them that we could just, you know, we've just got to make some really beautiful projects with these. I've already done earrings with these. They're so pretty. Look how pretty that is with the silver and the white, and they're etched so beautifully. They're gorgeous. Perfect. Pair of earrings. 5x7mm Chinese star cut crystal. Green vitriol. I have 6 pieces. Here we go. Okay, we're getting a lot of these star cut beads. I mean, we've got to figure out something to do with these. You know, they've kind of stumped me a little bit, but they're too pretty not to figure it out. So if you have any ideas, But I am sure we'll come up with something because they're gorgeous. Look at that. That's a stunning shaped bead. See how it's kind of got a point on either side? It's a beautiful dimensional bead. Maybe we can incorporate them with these. Okay, 14 millimeter check glass Hawaiian flower, opaque red with pink wash. Here we go. Beautiful. We have a few of these too. So it might be a good idea to like go back in all our boxes. We're gonna have to do this. And maybe grabbing all of these in the different colors we have and doing like a multicolored necklace with some bead in between. I think that would be really pretty. I do. So, I have some ideas for that. So look, for after the holidays, really getting into doing some fun stuff with like going back to other boxes and pulling out stuff that's similar and putting it all together. So I have a bunch of ideas in my head right now. 14 millimeter check glass Hawaiian flower, opaque red with pink wash. One piece. Okay, where are you? Oh wait, I just did that. Sorry. Okay, let's try again. 17 by 24 millimeter porcelain pendant, raku finish. One piece. This is gorgeous. That's a raku finish. Now I don't know if you know what raku is, but I have some raku pieces. That's like the way it's fired, pottery. The way it's fired, it's so gorgeous. It has just these colors in it. That's beautiful. That is really pretty. The hole goes this way, but when I see things like this, I think of bezeling it. If we can get the bezel over this hole, to get it to sit nice. So that's my idea. However, we'll see, because we have, after the holidays, we're going to go crazy. Okay, 5 by 7 millimeter Chinese crystal top drilled drop. And this is in light mint, opal rainbow iris. These are so pretty. Look at this color. That color's beautiful. So wintry. I love this color. This wintry color. So pretty. Like in the winter, you can put it with all icy colors. And in the summer, you put it with like sand and warm colors. And it becomes summer. See how pretty that is. Love. 10 millimeter magnesite melon, color varies. Okay, this is cool. 4 pieces? Wait a minute. 5 pieces. So this is a melon bead. It's 10 millimeter, and that's that magnesite. Like when you get those skulls, they're colors like this, but then they have this sort of wash over them that gives them sort of a little like antique-y look. Gorgeous. Look at these cool melon beads. Summer, summer, summer. Something for summer. This is going to be so cool. $13 millimeter check glass tablecloth sunflower, teal, opal, travertine. Your 2 pieces. These are so pretty. Look at that. Pretty. So what I mean is, like, we'll take all like similar beads, and when you put all different colors together, they look great together. Like a very multicolored necklace, like using something like this in a multicolored necklace. So I think that would be really good, really fun to do. 15 by 20 millimeter top drilled magnesite drop in turquoise. Oh, these are pretty. These are beautiful. Again, that's that magnesite, which is, it looks like turquoise, but it's not turquoise. And it is top drilled. That's pretty gorgeous. I think that needs you know what I would do with this? I would just wrap a loop. I'd make a pair of earrings. I'd just put a pretty gold wire, make a beautifully wrapped loop, and put an ear hook on it. And that's a beautiful pair of earrings. That's what I'm going to do. Gorgeous. Oops. 4x5mm Chinese star-cut crystal in jet. I think I just, oh, here they are. No, I think, excuse me for a minute, I think I dropped those, so let me grab them. Here they are. So again, that star-cut crystal again. Okay, we're just really going to have to like really concentrate on using these star-cut crystals because we have a lot of them and they're just too pretty just to sit in the box, right? Jet, beautiful. And 4mm Swarovski 5000 faceted bead in garnet, 6 pieces. Is that this guy? Yeah. So this is a 4mm round, a Swarovski 4mm round. These are gorgeous. Look at the garnet color. Hope you can see that. These Swarovski rounds are the most expensive beads to buy, and I think I have 1 pack of Swarovski rounds because I know, and I buy bicones instead because they're cheaper. The rounds are the most expensive, and these are stunning. I don't know if you can see the garnet in that, but it's just like gorgeous. That's really pretty. I wish I had like 1,000,000 of these. And then we have a bonus. Okay, so we got a little bonus piece. 6 to 10mm porcelain round. Color and quantity varies. Gorgeous. Look at this color. So pretty. I see, you know, this is coming up for spring. Look at this gorgeous color. So pretty. So that's, you got a little bonus there. This could even work with this, like a necklace out of this and the earrings. These are definitely going to be earrings. All right, so there you go. There's our dollar bead box. Pop these up. Here's our bag. Here's our bag. Here's our box. As usual, they just give you such a beautiful array of different beads and things that you wouldn't normally, you know, just purchase, and just enough so that, you know, maybe you won't only want 2 of these and make something instead of buying, you know, 10 of them. But just really beautiful. And as you collect your beads over time, you start getting duplicates, or you start getting, which I love, or you start getting like the one bead in several different colors. And that's why I'm saying we should do something really multicolored, and that'll be for like spring and summer. I think that'd be just gorgeous. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me. Check out the website. I will list it down below. See if it's right for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.